So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal or reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 19 till the 25th of August, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's start. Pisces, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at the present moment. Sun card. Someone got the proper clarity, Like there's no ounce of confusion in the situation, or they're trying to get proper clarity about the situation. Their like energies are open, their heart is open, they're open to receive whatever is coming out of the situation with all of their heart and soul. Let's clarify the sun from this person's side as their feelings for you. We got the star, the six of cups, and the eight of pentacles. Okay, they got this clarity, they got this understanding that this is a soul connection between you and them. They feel like healing the connection between you and them, putting in the effort and energy in this connection to heal it as much as they can from their side. So they are quite optimistic and positive. So someone from your past is very optimistic and positive that this is a soul connection, and they feel like putting in the effort and energy to make this work out, to come together or come back together with you, because they are feeling the loss of you now. They are feeling like without you their life is very sad, very depressed. Without you their life is lifeless or hopeless. Oh my god, it's like somebody coming to their senses that you are the life force of their life. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or energy from your side, or situation from your side, Pisces? It's too hot out here. Four of Wands, you feel like living in the moment. You feel like you're feeling very stable in your energies. You're just enjoying your life. You're just doing whatever you feel is right for you, and you're heading towards stability, okay, and happiness. For some of you, you're already in a new connection or a new situation, and now this person is coming back to their senses, the past person that you were connected to. Let's clarify the Four of Wands here. The Hermit, the Ten of Pentacles, the Magician. Okay, you're silently manifesting marriage, commitment, and or long-term partnership with this person. For most of you, for others of you, you're manifesting this energy of, if this is not meant to be, if this person or this energy is not meant for me, universe, send me the person or energy that's meant for me. Meanwhile, I'm just enjoying my life, creating my own stability, creating my own happiness. See, I know how to do manifestation, so I'm just going to be happy go lucky. I'm just going to enjoy my life. Meanwhile, please send me the person or energy that's meant for me, and I'm not going to repeat myself. I just told you what I want. I'm very clear about that. So it's you talking to the universe, okay, in a very direct manner. And you're in this energy of walking away from everything or everyone that's not giving you what you want to manifest in your life, in your love and relationship area. That's pretty cool, very cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. Yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Queen of Cups. Their intention is to give you a lot of love, give a lot of love to the situation. Sorry, a lot of love and blessings to the situation, and keep their emotions to themselves. They don't want to reveal their feelings to you. They want to keep it to themselves, but they want to send the love and the blessings and the telepathy messages to you. Okay, let's clarify the Queen of Cups as what they want, as their intention. Ace of Swords, the Chariot, and the Four of Cups. Yes, this person wants to clear the air with you, and this person wants to move on from the disappointment that they're feeling in the situation. They're very upset about the situation, by the way, so they want to have a brand new beginning with you, and this time they want to make it work out between you and them, because they have a lot of love to give you, a lot of love and blessings to share with you, and this person wants to move on from the being upset from this being upset about the situation all the time. Move on from the feeling of being upset about the situation all the time, and clear the air with you and start this connection all over with you and making it successful this time, no matter how many challenges and obstacles and uh, but not they have to face, they are ready to face it. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Eight of Swords. You want to get out of the mental jail. You want to get out from the situation, from this feeling of feeling trapped in the situation. You want to get out of this situation because it's not serving you anymore. The more you think about this situation, the more it breaks your heart or give you a very painful kind of energy. So you are like, I don't want to be in the. I don't want to be a part of this jail anymore. I want to get out of this because I have given enough time and energy to this. So it's time to stay out of this or get out of this. You're still trapped in this situation. Yeah. Mhm. Although you don't want to do anything about the situation, but you definitely want to get out of this situation, get out of this feeling trapped in the situation kind of feeling, and move on from the situation completely. You're still holding on to something that's keeping you trapped in the situation in some way, shape, or form, even if you don't want to. And it's bothering you, it's frustrating you, it's irritating you to the level of what the fuck is happening. I don't want to be in this energy anymore. I don't want to be feeling I don't want to be in this jail kind of energy anymore. I want to get out of this. But the more you are trying to get out of this, the more you are getting trapped into this. So don't try, just let it float, just let it be what it is, and it will pass. This too shall pass. Okay, you just want to go ahead and keep your energies and heart open to new people, new situation, new connection, new things that's meant for you. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation, what's coming towards you till the what we have 25th of August. Pisces, let's see. Six of Swords. I do see you moving on, still carrying a lot of past baggages with you, but moving on from the situation, detaching yourself and getting out of it. For lots of signs this week, I got moving on energy, splitting apart, and misunderstanding, miscommunications, and getting away from each other. Retrograde, Mercury retrograde at its best. Misunderstandings, miscommunication, technical errors, and whatnot. Wow. But for you, slowly but surely, you're heading towards a brand new beginning in love and relationship area, and at the same time, starting some kind of brand new business or work or job or career, or working on your looks. You are heading towards a totally brand new love life and totally brand new Pisces. It's like Pisces 2.0, a rebirth for you guys. So you shocked the hell out of me. New love, new Pisces. You are going to work on your looks, on your personality development, or or something like that. I do see a completely new energy for you guys, completely brand new energies in your love life as well, and physically as well, physical changes as well in your body, in your looks, and in your overall energies as well, and enthusiasm and energy levels as well. So wow, moving on from a toxic cycle to a completely brand new life, love life as well. And again, for some of it's a brand new cycle of having a lot of sexual energy exchange between you and few energies. Don't do that if you don't want to be in trouble. But anyways, I do see a lot of opposite sex people getting attracted to you and your personality. That is also coming. Okay, yeah, people getting obsessed with you, people getting attached to you very quickly. So watch out for those kind of energies and keep moving ahead. Okay, Pisces, let's see the guidance for you guys. I don't think you need it because you're doing it fantastically beautiful, so I should. Okay, but it's my job, the universe wants me to say keep it light-hearted, keep it light-hearted, and be fair with whomsoever you are going to deal with. Be very very clear, be very very honest. Don't uh, don't let anybody feel like you are leading them on and then leaving them, and it's like don't give some anybody false hopes or false kind of directions or false kind of anything. Be very very clear and honest with your energies about what you want from somebody, but and how you want it, and what you're coming like through, what you're coming out of. So might be people are going to get serious about you, or you are going to get serious about somebody too quick, too soon, too quickly. So be very very honest with yourself first of all, like what you really want out of new people, new energies, new connection, whatever kind of connections or energies you're going to connect with, whether it's your love and relationship area, whether it's your just friendship kind of area, whether it's your work area. Be very very honest, very honest, very open, very fair, and don't hold back. Don't live in assumptions or delusions or illusions, like okay it's like okay, might be it's like that, might be it's like that. No, be very very clear, be very very honest, be very very fair with other people, with other energies, and yourself as well, and then move forward. Okay, otherwise it might convert into some kind of troublesome energies in the coming future, and you are going to suffer a lot because of this. So it's a warning. Okay, so yeah, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, god bless you, namaste.